Here's a rare 2023 Ford F250 Super Duty 4-wheel drive diesel crew cab is in stock with the awesome 6.7 liter Power Stroke turbo diesel, but not just the regular turbo diesel. It's a new high output with 500 horsepower and 1,200 pounds of torque. In stock right now at Allan Vigil Ford Lincoln. Give me a call. It is ready to go. It won't last long. Has everything you need. Full Lariat package, ultimate Lariat package, spray and bed liner, 20-inch wheels, all terrain, dual exhaust, heavy duty running board, and the key thing is it's in stock. And no surcharge on the sticker. $83,860. Give me a call, 678-364-3979. You can get it today. Black Ford F250 Lariat with the brand new Ford 6.7 liter high output Power Stroke diesel.